Turn your laptop into a workstation with G.SKILL Ripjaws DDR5 64GB 5600 megatransfers per second SO-DIMM. Imagine trying to edit a 4K video and your laptop freezes every few minutes because it ran out of memory. Or you're gaming while streaming and suddenly everything stutters because Chrome alone is eating 20 gigabytes with all those tabs open. Maybe you're a developer running Docker, a few virtual machines, and your IDE at the same time, only to watch the fans scream and everything crawl to a halt. Most modern laptops still ship with just 16 gigabytes or 32 gigabytes of RAM. And the second you push them with real work, video editing, 3D rendering, heavy multitasking, or even modern games with Discord and Spotify in the background, they choke hard and leave you frustrated and way less productive than you should be. That constant lag isn't just annoying, it's costing you real time and money. Projects that should take an hour drag on for 3 because your laptop keeps swapping to the slow SSD. You close apps you actually need just to keep one program running smoothly. Games stutter at the worst moments, renders crash halfway through, and your once fast laptop now feels like a 5-year-old budget machine. You start dreading big tasks because you know the spinning wheel of death is coming. Worse, you're forced to choose between work and play on the same device. You can either edit or game, but never both at once without everything falling apart. You paid good money for a powerful DDR5 laptop, yet you're still stuck in the 16 gigabyte Stone Age, watching everyone else breeze through workloads while you wait and wait and wait.
The good news? There's a single drop-in fix that turns your laptop into a true powerhouse. The G.SKILL Ripjaws DDR5 SO-DIMM 64GB, 2x32GB, 5600 megatransfers per second kit. This is the exact same model countless creators and power users are installing right now. F5-5600 S4645 A32 GX2-RS. It's a matched dual-channel kit that gives you a massive 64 gigabytes of super-fast DDR5 5600 memory running at a cool 1.1 volts. You just pop out the old sticks, slide these in, and instantly your laptop has the breathing room it's been begging for. No complicated settings, no RGB nonsense, just pure performance that works the moment you boot up.
With 64 gigabytes at 5600 MT per second, everything feels instant. Video editors report scrubbing through 8K timelines in Premiere or DaVinci Resolve without a single hiccup, and exports finish way faster because everything stays in lightning-fast RAM instead of crawling to the drive. Developers run multiple virtual machines, huge Docker setups, and dozens of browser tabs while compiling code, and the laptop stays buttery smooth. Gamers stream 1440p or 4K gameplay with overlays, Discord, Spotify, and 50+ Chrome tabs open and never see a stutter again. One mobile creator said switching to this kit cut their render times almost in half and made the whole system feel snappier than a new laptop. Another engineering student loads massive CAD assemblies that used to crash and now opens them in seconds. Reviewers and users agree. The dual-channel 5600 MT per second plus the huge capacity gives you workstation-level performance in a thin and light body, perfect for Intel 13/14th Gen and AMD Ryzen 7000, 8000 laptops. It's the upgrade that finally lets your powerful laptop live up to its potential. Ready to say goodbye to lag, crashes, and constant app closing forever? Grab the G.SKILL Ripjaws DDR5 64GB 2x32GB 5600 MT per second kit today, while stock and current pricing are still this good. Prices on high-capacity DDR5 are climbing fast as more people discover how life-changing 64 gigabytes feels. Click the link in the description right now, add it to your cart, and in just a couple of days, you'll be flying through work and play like never before. Don't wait until your next big deadline or gaming session gets ruined. Upgrade today and feel the difference instantly.